Good morning, everyone. We're the team number 5, and we are going to present our ambient problem that is air pollution. Our team members are Paula Zúñiga, Renata Montañez, Sebastián Vázquez, Ángel Sechil Villa, Frida Garcia, and Camila Lopez. I hope you enjoyed it, and let's begin.
Hello, my name is Renata and I'm going to talk about what is air pollution. Air pollution is the presence of substances in the atmosphere that are harmful to the health of humans and other living beings, or cause damage to the climate or the materials. There are different types of air pollutants, such as gases, particulates, and biological molecules. Poor air quality kills people. Worldwide, bad outdoor air caused an estimated 4.2 million premature deaths in 2016, about 90% of them in low and middle income countries, according to the World Health Organization. Though many living things emit carbon dioxide when they breathe, the gas is widely considered to be a pollutant when associated with cars, planes, power plants, and other human activities that involve the burning of fossil fuels such as gasoline and natural gas. Thank you.
The prevalent state of air pollution has been linked to higher rates of cancer, heart disease, stroke, and respiratory diseases such as the asthma. In USA, nearly 134 million people, over 40% of the population, are at risk of disease. And air pollution causes damage to crops, animals, forests, and bodies of water. Also contributes on the depletion of the ozone layer, which protects the air from the sun. And another negative effect of air pollution is the formation of the acid rain. The most basic solution of the air pollution is to move away from the fossil fuels, replacing them with alternative energy like solar, wind, and geothermal. Producing clean energy is crucial.
Hypotheses. As we stated in the previous slide, the best solution to solve air pollution is to stop using fossil fuels and instead start using alternative energies like solar, wind, and geothermal. With this in mind, we came to a hypothesis. By using alternative sources of energy, the levels of air pollution will decrease in comparison to the continuous use of fossil fuel. The wind energy will be the cleanest, most accessible, and efficient out of the different alternative sources of energy, since it doesn't release carbon emissions and is completely sustainable.
In the experiment we chose, we explored solar energy, the simplest method of converting renewable energy into a usable source. The experiment is called Converting Sunlight into Heat. It consists of putting 3 glasses of water on the sun, to cover with a white paper and other one covered with a plastic bag. In the third glass is covered with a black paper, so it's 3 glasses. We measure the temperature before and after exposing to the sun and analyze which glass will heat up the fastest. We deduce that the black background absorbs more heat than the light background. Covering the cup slows or stops the evaporation, and the plastic covering may also absorb some of the sun rays.
Hi, my name is Angel Villa, and I'm going to talk about the results and outcomes of the experiment of the dark background when heating either water or other things. So, as we observed in the experiment that we performed, the different backgrounds of the glasses exposed to UV rays do change and vary. As we saw with the black background, the black or more dark background will absorb more UV rays than light or white backgrounds. We can use this experimentation to change our types of energies that uses either carbon or toxic gases. We use these energies in our daily lives, so let's set an example. If we want to heat water so we can have hot water for a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, what we normally do is go to the stove and turn on the gas so we can produce fire. Or a more easy and faster way is that we heat the water in a microwave, wasting electrical energy, which is both expensive and is made with a highly and harmful process for the environment. So the result that we had in this experiment is that we can change our use of energy with one energy that does not harm the environment, and it is also an economic way to either heat anything with a simple and easy to get dark background, or even heat it with a dark glass plate and many others. So those were the results and the outcomes that we wait to have with this experiment is that more people can have this information so they can change their type of energy when heating something, either is it water or even food or even water for when you're showering or things like that. So that is everything. Thank you.
So we can conclude that air pollution is a big problem that affects in a negative way the ecosystem because it has a lot of effects, and this problem is a cause of all the activities that humans have made. It is our responsibility to keep the environment clean and avoid air pollution with little actions like planting more trees, avoid the use of vehicles, locally grown food over import, etc. If we implement these actions in our daily life in a long term, we can make a big difference in helping our environment.